Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. What I'd like to do is I'd like to give you a preview of my new Monopoly type real estate investing education game that I've personally developed, okay, for real estate investors. It's called Bank Foreclosure Millionaire, and it's the world's most powerful real estate education and training platform for teaching real estate investors how to buy and sell houses. If you want to make money, build wealth, get rich, and be a millionaire, wholesaling houses, rehabbing houses, investing in rental properties, and buying notes, this real estate game, business simulator, is exactly what you need to put your real estate investing business on steroids and take it to the next level. As a real estate investor, I always need to know what my profit is going to be after making my offer, adding commissions, holding costs, closing costs, and repairs based on the comparable house sales in the area. I need to know how much money I'm going to make on my deals. Bottom line, that's it. I need to know how much money I'm going to make on my deals, what's going to be the best exit strategy that I got to use to make that amount of money. So anytime I make an offer to buy real estate, I need to know my financial numbers, the formulas, and the deal analysis, which will tell me exactly how much money I will make buying and selling houses. When I say best way to make money, well, should I wholesale the deal? And if so, what's my fee for flipping the deal to a cash buyer? Let's say $5,000, $10,000, okay? Should I rehab the property and sell it to a home buyer at full retail value so that will generate a 25 to 30% return on my investment? Maybe I'll make $35,000 if I rehab the property. By running the numbers, I'll know what my profit is. Should I buy the property and rent it out to a tenant? I'm looking for a 14% return on my money. So at this rate, at 14%, the tenant will pay back my investment. I'll get all my investment back in 86 months. Well, how do you know that? Simply by running numbers. Should I wholesale the property? Maybe do minimal repairs and flip it to a home buyer for a nice profit without doing a major rehab on the property? Well, how much money will I make if I did a hotel deal? Should I buy the note from the bank at a discount? Maybe keep the homeowner in their home to generate a profit for me, or maybe even use the other 6 exit strategies as far as buying notes. Should I find a financial partner to put the money up to fund the deal? Then we split profits 50-50. Okay? What amount of money will that make me? And then how much do I have to pay back to the financial partner? What about if we split the deal 60-40, 70-30? What if I ask for a $4,000 upfront fee for finding the deal and then split the profits 50-50? Interesting. How much money will you make? What if I find a private lender who'll lend me the money to fund the deal and they'll charge me 12 to 18% simple interest? How much will that cost me? How much will my profit? What if I find a hard money lender who'll only lend the money to fund the deal? They'll charge me 12% interest only, 5 points, and a 3-month prepayment penalty. And on top of that, a hard money lender will only loan 65% of the loan amount. How much will that cost me to borrow the money from the hard lender? But how much profit will I make? That's a more important question. See, Bank Foreclosure Millionaire will teach you how to answer all these questions and more. Here we go. Let me show you guys how to make money. At every level of this game, you must listen to the coach. The coach will teach you the formulas that professional investors like myself use to make money buying and selling houses in every neighborhood across the street. I'm sorry, every neighborhood across the United States. Getting a little excited here. All right. The coach is located next to the timer. You see the 23-minute timer? In the free preview of my game, you get 23 minutes to go through 3 levels, okay? And the coach is located next to that timer. It's the circle with the computer, and you kind of see a person with a little stick in their hand. I don't know if you can see it on the screen here, but that's the coach. You got to listen to the coach at every level in order to learn this game. See, I'm going to play the Monopoly type game now. I want you guys to watch me as I navigate through this digital board. So basically, I'm going to scan around. We got 6 states we're doing business in. We got Illinois, Florida, Arizona, Nevada, New York. We got California. And which one did I skip here? Let's run this in the back. Arizona, Nevada, New York. Oh, I'm sorry. New York, Nevada, Illinois, Florida, Arizona, and California. So let's start over in California. Now, you see the bright blue houses. Once you do a transaction and that deal is closed, it will fade. So you won't be able to do it again. There's 11 blue houses. So if we're going to flip in this level, we're going to flip for $5,000. Now, you see I've clicked the blue house in California. You see a little flashing car? The I buy houses, that's me going over to take a look at this deal. There's the property. Okay, it has an after repair value of $77,000. It needs $8,000 in repairs. What are you going to offer this homeowner so that you can make a profit? Okay, in level 1, again, we're talking about wholesaling. So basically what you're going to do is flip this deal. Every deal in level 1, your fee is always going to be $5,000. Pretty simple. So every one of the houses, your fee is going to be $5,000. Once you learn how to apply the formulas, you can change the fee to be whatever you want. But what's more important is the person you're flipping it to, they're got to be able to make a certain percentage profit. Okay, usually 20% or even better before they'll give you your flip fee of $5,000. So first thing I'm going to do is just go to the first box. And I'm going to put the $5,000 in. Let's see how this works. I hit done, and you notice the green check mark. That means I got the answer right. Next, I got to figure out how much is mail. Okay, and again, the coach in the game will teach you how to do the formula mail, but right now for the preview, it's pretty simple. I'll teach you the formula. It's the ARV, the after repair value, times 70%. Minus your repairs. That's how you get mail. So ARV times 70% minus repairs give you your mail. So I'm going to do my math real quick. It'll be 53.9 minus 8. That leaves me 45.9. So as far as mail, I'm going to put 45.9 in. Guess what? I'm right. So this helps you with your math. So that when you go out to a homeowner's house and you practice on my game, you're going to actually do really well because you practice the formulas over and over again. So now, the wholesale mail is the price you have to come in under mail in order for you to get your $5,000 fee. So all I do is deduct the fee from the mail. Okay, so the wholesale mail formula is ARV times 70% minus repairs minus your fee. So I'm going to deduct 45.9, deduct the fee. That should be $40,900. There you go. Here are the cash register. I'm done. Excellent. So again, if you look to the right, that house is kind of faded out now. And so that house is finished. I'm going to do another house in California. Keep it going. There's the car flashing. Here comes I Buy Houses, people. That's me. So now we have another property in California. The value is $89,000. Repairs needed is $3,000. Remember what I told you? Your fee always is $5,000. Good. Now, let's do the mail. Mail is ARV times 70%. Minus repairs. So I take $89,000, I multiply it by 70%, which is going to give me $62,300, and I deduct my repairs, which is $3,000. That makes $59,300 is what my mail should be. But I'm going to tell you how neat this game is. If you put the wrong answer in, the game will tell you. So the answer should be $59,300, but I'm not going to put $59,300. I'm going to put $50,300. See what happens. $50,300.
Owner counters your offer.
Oh, did you hear that? The owner counters my offer. All right, so that means I didn't get the, if you'll see a red X. That means I didn't do the math formula correctly. So let's try it again. Again, my answer should be $59,300, but I'm even going to change this to a different answer. That's not correct. Let's go $55,300, see what happens.
Owner rejects your offer.
Oh man, the owner rejected my offer. So the game is automatically programmed for you to get the right answer. So, what did I say the answer should be? I said it should be $59,300. Let's go and change it now to the correct answer. And boom, see what happens. Voila! There's the green arrow. That's what I want to hear. So, again, in order to get the wholesale mail, to get my flip fee of $5,000, I got to deduct $5,000 from the mail, which will give me $54,300. Again, if I put the wrong answer in, I'm just going to show you guys what putting wrong answers in will do. Voila, I get a red X. That means my math is wrong. I got to get better at my math and my formulas. So let's change it now. What it should be $54,300. I love that cash register sound. That means I'm making money. All right, I'm going to try to fly through this a little faster so I can get through level 1. Okay, here's the car. It's coming over. All right, so after repair value, 127. So I'm 740. I'm doing math in my head. So that'll be 49, 14, 18. So that'll be 88. Oh, shoot, my math is bad. 749, 4, 14, 18, 88.9. So let's go 71.4. Let's go 5,000 for the fee. And then we'll go 71.4 to see if I'm right with my math. And I'm doing this in my head, you guys. I've done this game a lot. And I have the calculator, so I got it right. Let me put 66.4 in here now. And it's kind of like pressure. It's kind of like the real world, going through strategies and work with homeowners. Man, it's pressure. All right, let's try the one in Nevada right there. Got 17 minutes to get through this level and level 2 and level 3. And it is hard and pressure. So, what's the numbers? Okay, 109. So I'm going to put my fee of $5,000 in, going real fast. And my mayo is going to be 763, 76.3. So we'll go 66.3 is my mayo.
You will not be able to flip this property for a $5,000 fee because your amount is too high.
Uh-oh.
You're only leaving the rehabber $1,208,000.
Wow, I really messed that one up.
Then the minimum 20% profit rehabber wants to make on his, her deals.
Okay, so 763, 76.3. Let's go 65.3. Let's see if my math is better here. Wow. Oh, got it, finally. Whew. Got to keep going. Next, it should be 63 to get that next line. Oh, wow, good. Got to keep going. Pressure's on me. Let's get the next house in there, Nevada. Okay, because if I don't finish this game, the first 3 levels in 22 minutes, it times out on me. Game's over. All right, so my fee is $5,000. And how much is mail? That'd be 728, 51.8, 45,000 now. And next one's gonna be 40,000. Gotta go fast. Trying to beat the game. I'm only competing against myself. Okay, good. Let's find another state to do business. Let's go to New York. There we go. All right. So how much is my fee? 5,000 still. Every one, it's always 5. That's pretty simple. And 7, 14, 64, 4. Let's go 54, 4 for the mayo. And now 49, 4, deduct the fee. 4. Oh, shoot, wrong answer. 49, 4. Yes! All right, pressure, pressure, pressure. Keep it going. All right, this other house in New York. Okay, how much is fee? 5,000. Oh, this is a hard one. It's got big numbers. 5,000. Okay, 375. Wow, math on that. 75, 35, 52. 262.5 minus 4,500. Let's go 258. 258. Got it. Woo, that's a hard one. And deduct my fees from 258 to be 253. Got it. Hurry, because I want to get through this one. Got to be really fast. Go to Arizona. Okay, 85,000. My fee is going to be 5,000. That's what I want to flip it for. I'm going to flip to a cash buyer. How much is mail? That's the maximum I can offer. 35.59.5 minus repairs 9,500. Let's go 50,000. And you can see how much of a challenge this is, you guys. This is not simple. Just got to be good at the math, and that's what real estate's all about. It's all numbers for real estate. If you don't know your numbers, you don't know your real estate investing business. All right, my fee again is 5,000. And what is mail? 763, 6749, 67.9. So we'll go 35.9, 35.9. All right, and then deduct the fee, make it 30,900. That's my wholesale mail. Whew, got it. All right, keep it going, keep it going. Let's see, I've done that. Now I'm in Illinois. Gonna buy some real estate in Illinois. The principles are all the same all over the United States. Doesn't change if you use the formulas. Okay, fee is always 5,000 just for the game. You can change it once you get better at your numbers. Okay, that means you can buy better. You can make more profit. So 63,000, 7 be 21, 44.1. So let's go 38.1 is the mail. Good, got it. And we'll deduct a fee, which gives me 33.1. Got it. All right, I think I got one more property. As you can see up in the counter, there's $50,000 up there. I need one more house. Again, you make $5,000 every time you get the numbers right, and you wholesale it in the game. There's 11 blue houses. I got one more, and I'll be then graduated from this level. Okay, whoa, a $250,000 house, and it needs $25,000 repairs. Again, I'm going for a $5,000 flip. And how much is the mail? Be 7, 35, 14, 175 minus 25. That'll be $150,000 for my mail after I deduct all the repairs. And now I'm going to go to 145. Now, before I do this, if I got this right, I can... Oh yeah, I made it. I've graduated as a wholesaler. That means I know my formulas, okay? So next we can go right into level 2, but I'm going to stop it here because that's going to be an extremely long video. I'm up to 15 minutes now. Hey, this is Terry Bontemps. You got any questions? You need to ask me anything about my app, my Bank Foreclosure Millionaire game? Please feel free to give me a call at 916-470-3869. If you're having any difficulties navigating the game, please call me 916-470-3869. If you're looking for a mentor to show you how to do all this math, get you out into the real world making money, call me 916-470-3869. See you guys on the next video.